today we are getting ready. I'm not home. I'm about to go up to the top of this mountain or something like that. But your girl wants to take pics, okay? I want to take pictures, period. So we're about to do a get ready with me. It's gonna be more like vlog style, but I'm pretty much gonna do my skincare, into my makeup, and yeah, that's what we're about to do. And I have limited time. Literally, I want to be finished this whole process in like 30 minutes max, including dress. So I have to rush. I have to hurry. So let's get started. If you guys have not done so as yet, join our family, join the kingdom, hit that subscribe button, and for those who are subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell, like, share, and comment. I really appreciate it when you guys do that. Oh, also, I also wanted to give a shout out to everybody who DM'd me, everybody that messaged me, everybody that commented on an old video like, sis, where are you? We've been missing you. We need your energy back here on YouTube. Thank you guys so much. You guys don't even know how much motivation that is for me, just to feel like, you know, because sometimes with YouTube, you do the YouTube videos and you put a lot of effort into it. But when you're first starting out, you know, it's hard to get seen. You know what I'm trying to say? So it kind of discourages you at times. So when I see messages like that, and you know, when people like and they comment and they share the video for me, it really it gives me incentive and motivation, just knowing that there's somebody out there that's liking what I'm doing. You know what I'm trying to say? Anyway, enough of that. Oh gosh, 2020 just got everybody in their feelings. Okay. Anyway, let's get into this. I'm about to actually go get the charger so I can charge you guys, so you guys don't cut off or whatever. And then we're gonna jump straight into this. Alright you guys, so to get started, I like to start with hair. So I'm literally just spritzing my hair. This is my oil and water mixture that you guys know I use in like every single hair video, because you know, my hair needs hydration, needs its nourishment. So yeah, I'm gonna have to leave my hair down, I'm thinking. Maybe I'll try to do a little quick something. So you see, you guys are seeing it live and direct. Like, this is how it goes. This is how my brain works. Why am I getting so fancy and I don't have time? I don't understand. Who else does that? Who else says, yeah, I'm literally just gonna take like 2 minutes, I'm gonna be ready. Next thing you know, you end up with a whole full beat. Like, I don't understand. Taking some rubber bands. I'm gonna have to add a little bit more locks into there, honey, because it's not giving the girls what they came for. Gotta hurry up too, because it's getting hot. Have makeup on heat. They don't mesh. Alright, let's see. Yeah, this is giving the girls a little more height. Watching the time, you guys. I'm trying to take like 20 minutes on this whole thing, so it's definitely not gonna be like a full beat. It's gonna be something real quick, but I figured you guys might like to see that, right? You guys don't always put on, I mean, at least I don't. Literally, I haven't even been wearing makeup like that these days. Like, it's just not, I mean, I have to put on a mask. I really don't see the purpose in putting all this time and effort into makeup. Number one, because it's hot in New York. It's super hot. So literally, it's gonna sweat all off. And next, you have to put on a mask. Your mask is getting dirty. It's a whole lot going on. We don't have time for it. I'm not ready. I will be ready. I tell you, give me 10 minutes. It's not even 10 minutes. More than 10 minutes. See, this is what you have to deal with. Can't do anything in this joint. See, now I gotta hurry up even more, you guys. You guys are witness to the madness. At least my hair looking cute. You guys ever think like that? Like you're in a rush? And you're like late or whatever, and then people's looking at you like, oh, you late or whatever, and you're thinking to yourself, oh, my face beat though. Yo. Now I gotta wash off my hands because it has all of that hair stuff, and I don't like to mix. I don't wanna, oh child, where y'all going? Where you guys going? Stay with me, girl. I'm gonna go press and wash off my face because my face feels really greasy. I use the Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. I've been using, this is like my 3rd bottle. This stuff is life. I love it. I like Murad products on a whole, but it's expensive. So yeah, Boxy, it was either BoxyCharm or Ipsy who even introduced me to some of these products, and ever since that, it's just been downhill. Non-joker. It's just, I love it. So can't say downhill, but them things is expensive. Usually, I try to get it on a deal from the BoxyCharm or the Ipsy website, whichever one it is that has it. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not gonna be like, go buy yourself no $50, $60 cleanser, because I'm not doing it. Seriously. I always pat my face with like a piece of paper or something like that I know is 100% clean. So I'm gonna tone. I'm using this Bitter Green Essence toner. So I'm gonna do that. Take off some of those fluff from that paper that I use off my face. Yeah, make sure my face is primed and ready to go. Alright, boom. Next, we are going to put some eye cream. This is the Murad eye cream. Next, I'm just gonna go in with some SPF moisturizer. This is also from Murad because yeah, it's gonna be sunny out there and gotta protect your skin, honey. Usually I would have went in with this vitamin C brightening booster kind of like serum, but because I'm running low for time, I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna go into eyebrows now. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color chocolate. You guys, I'm not really gonna be putting on like foundation. Today, I'll just be like concealing and using powder and stuff like that because it's not that deep. So I usually take this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. This is in the shade, not sure what shade it's in, but I'll put it down below because your girl Russian. These eyebrows look crazy. Do they look crazy? I'm asking y'all like y'all here. Actually, I'm just gonna take a little bit of that same stuff, put it on my lid, because I'm gonna put a little bit of just a little bit of shadow, nothing crazy. I literally just bought one palette with me, and it's actually this BoxyCharm palette, so Russian when I was packing too. So I picked this up because it had these like neutral colors, orange, brown, that's the type of stuff I like. So again, I'm just gonna go into this Cup of Joe, like this kind of light brown shade. I'm gonna dust that all over my eye literally, and then I'm just gonna go in with like a little shimmer on my lid. I do when I don't have time to do anything crazy, you know? Just a wash of color over like everything, just to give everything some definition. The only thing this palette doesn't have is like a dark color. It's more like daytime and airy. I wasn't really thinking it all the way through. But it'll be fine. Let me hurry up. Talking too much. Girl, be quiet. Come here, come back over here. Let's do Pop Up. It's like a silvery color. Just gonna spray. This is Pixie spray, but the bottle broke, so I put it in another bottle. We just gotta go back into that brown and just like blend everyone. Blend them. So that's how my eyes are looking. So, I don't even know if I want to do liner. That's gonna be another thing. Let's do the liner. Definitely should not have done liner because I was rushing, but I'm definitely not erasing it. So it is what it is, girl. It is what it is. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put a little bit of this Milk Hydro Grip primer on my face just to keep the oils and stuff down. I'm just gonna rub a little bit all over my face. Do the guys that's rushing us know like how much stress we be under? I mean, Juvia's concealer in number 12. Put a little bit of that under our eye, down our bridge of our nose, top of our mouth. And that's usually all. Usually I would let it sit for a little bit, but I don't have time for that. So we're just gonna blend it out one side. That's okay because this is not over foundation. So we don't want it too opaque anyway. Just a nice natural highlight and conceal. and then we're gonna powder and we're done, you guys. Do some of that. Oh my gosh, I thought I left Laura. I thought I left Miss Laura. I was about to say, what am I about to set this off with? Alright, let's set it. Okay, tap that in. Next, we're gonna go over our full face with oh my goodness, don't tell me that either. I'm gonna put my Sephora powder. Alright. I didn't bring my Sephora micro smooth powder. I just have this L'Oreal powder. It's fine. It'll work. This is my Old Faithful anyway. Probably looking at me like, oh, word? So now you got Sephora micro smooth powder and now you don't know how to act. Now you don't want me. You know what I'm trying to say? That's probably how L'Oreal was just looking at me. Like, girl, if you don't use me and stop playing, because you used to be all on my body. Like, you used to be all on my body. And she right, I did. Alright, so now that our face is powdered, I'm just gonna do some bronzer. This is a Morphe bronzer, the color Romance. So we're just gonna put on a little bit of bronzer. Give the cheekbones a little bit of definition. Give the nose a little definition. Give the forehead a little, not so much wearing a hat vibe. Kind of deepen up these cheeks. Yes, we're coming together, honey. Now we're gonna put on this Note blush. It's a very pretty kind of peachy blush. We're gonna do that. Yes. And now we're gonna highlight, and we're gonna use Becca highlighter and hit those high points of the face. Ooh, too much. Relax. Hit the high points of the face. Ooh. Alright, next. I think that's about it. I'm just gonna spray my face now. Spray my face. After spraying the face, I really hope I have a mascara, you know. Oh my goodness. What did I pack, you guys? Like, what did I really truly pack? I didn't even pack a mascara. At this point, I would have put on mascara, but I didn't pack any mascara. Blend all this stuff together. And we out the door. Alright, I'm gonna go get dressed and I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so I'm dressed. I'm just gonna put on some earrings, some gold earrings. I'm so mad I left my mascara. I'm gonna put some gloss on, keep it simple. These glosses are so nice. I got these glosses from ColourPop like a while ago, but they go hard. Like Brooklyn. Brooklyn, we go hard. We go hard. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit more powder. So I'm damn sweating. This is exactly why I haven't worn makeup my entire time here. Take off this hair tie. Whew, y'all. And how I'm looking, you guys. How I'm coming. And then I have my sunglasses. I got these from Amazon. That's cute for like 20-minute beat, right? Come on now. Ooh, come on now. The makeup, this is what the makeup is giving. The lighting is a little bright, so I'll probably provide video after this, okay? But this is the makeup. We just very natural, didn't use any foundation. I didn't even have mascara, you guys. Just put in some gold hoops, forgot all my jewelry. And then I have this tube top. I got this tube top in like a pack of 3 from Amazon. And then I have this gorgeous wrapped skirt. Okay, this wrapped skirt is just giving the girls what we want. Alright you guys, so that's going to complete this video. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. Definitely hit the subscribe button. I know you guys are feeling your girl. Hit the subscribe button, join the kingdom, join the family, like, comment, share, do all that good stuff for your girl, and I will see you guys in my next one. Deuces. Let me go before this man call my name again. Let me go. Lip gloss. What else I gotta take, honey? I gotta take that out, honey. I'm cute. See you guys later. Bye.